The coolest Korean fried chicken and ramen spot just opened in New York City, and they are giving out free food on Sunday for its grand opening. Boong's Korean Fried Chicken is serving up a delicious menu of fried chicken, Korean classics, sushi, and a DIY ramen machine with dozens of ramen types to choose from. They're giving out free chicken and fry samples on Sunday, April 13th from 1 to 6 p.m. and raffling off 5 gift cards between $25 and $100 to anyone who follows them and attends. Send this to someone who loves ramen and Korean fried chicken.